A flash crash occurred in the cryptocurrency market last night, and there is a great deal of volatility being experienced in the market at the moment. The next action that SHIB takes could have a significant impact on how the token is distributed over the next few weeks. If you are interested in SHIBA in general, or if you can get your hands on any SHIB tokens, you just cannot skip out on seeing this movie. What is the most recent information regarding SHIBA INU coins? Is this going to have an impact on their value? In today's movie, I will talk about the answers to these questions. While we are having this conversation, I will provide you with all of the latest facts regarding Shiba Inus that will further increase their value. It is highly recommended that you watch this video in its entirety in order to get the most out of it. The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately $283 million. The price of SHIB has decreased by 11% over the course of the last 24 hours, and within that time period, more than $3.7 billion worth of SHIB has been traded. Given that the token now has a market cap of more than $15.8 billion, it is also the 13th most expensive cryptocurrency at the moment. Take into consideration that the pricing shown here might have shifted by the time you watch this movie. This information is not intended to serve as financial advice. The film for today is presented here. Although the Shiba Inu is unable to break a 9-month barrier, new owners see potential in the breed. Shiba Inu has not been able to succeed in breaking past a major resistance level, which has prevented the alternative cryptocurrency from obtaining 3,000 units as support. This is despite the fact that Bitcoin is still heading up. There is a great deal of uncertainty over SHIB's future as a result of this catastrophe. The Shiba Inu is not capable of living up to its name. The relationship between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin has been slowly deteriorating over the course of the past week, and it is currently located at 0.45%. The fact that Bitcoin is falling is concerning because its price is still hovering around 1,000,000, and further expansion is anticipated. Cryptocurrencies such as SHIB have a tendency to follow Bitcoin's lead because of the favorable relationship that exists between them. However, depending on the size of this disparity, it is unclear whether SHIBA and NU will be able to make a profit from the increasing trend of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to rise, SHIBA NU may have difficulty gaining ground and passing key resistance levels. This is because the relationship between the two currencies is becoming weaker. Now, investors are concerned that SHIB might not follow Bitcoin, which could result in the altcoin being unchanged or falling, which would limit its growth. This would be frustrating for investors. Despite the fact that there have been several glitches in recent times, the adoption of Shiba Inus has been constantly increasing. In the past 5 months, it has reached a high utilization rate of 40%, demonstrating that new purchasers are quite willing to purchase. The fact that this occurred is particularly intriguing because SHIB was increasing right up until the previous week, and the addition of more new users may be beneficial to the coin. It is possible that some of the indications that the market is declining will be reversed if this trend of more individuals adopting continues its current trajectory. New investors might be able to contribute to the overall improvement of the market, which would provide Shiba Inus with an opportunity to improve. The price projection for the SHIB is breaking past boundaries this time. Shiba Inu's price has dropped by 16% during the course of the last 24 hours, and it is currently at $2,698. Due to this decline, the currency is currently trading at a level that is lower than its prior support level of 2,976 units. In the event that this significant support fails to hold, it may indicate that the condition of the market is shifting, which may result in prices falling much further. A continuation of the altcoin's price over the support level of 2267 units is currently quite probable. It is possible that this region may serve as a temporary floor, and purchasers may decide to take profits while the retreat continues because of this. It is possible that this period of consolidation may make things less volatile. Yet, it is also possible that it will take less time for SHIB prices to recover. In the event that Shiba Inu is successful in regaining the 2,976 unit support level, a return may indeed take place. The resistance level that has been in place for the past 5 months, which is 3,306 units, would be able to be tested once more once this is accomplished. There is a possibility that an upswing may begin once more if this level is broken, which would result in the current negative outlook being challenged. We appreciate you watching. Please click the like button below if you find what you are viewing to be appealing. There is no expense involved, and it is of great assistance to the presentation. However, you should not stop monitoring in order to understand what is new with Shiba Inu and what the potential future of the currency may bring. Yesterday's trading session on the cryptocurrency market turned into a massacre, with smaller sums of $1.5 billion being sold off in both long and short positions. This occurred in both long and short investments. When it comes to Shiba Inu, the well-known cryptocurrency that was based on a meme, derivatives on it were sold for almost $20 million. As you can see, the majority of these were open-ended futures, and there were a significant number of long holdings. The price of the Shiba Inu token has fallen to levels that have not been seen since the end of November. These depths have not been reached since then. This day, it has decreased by roughly 25%. The on-chain data on the Shiba Inu token that was displayed by Into the Block creates an intriguing picture when viewed against this background. The quantity of Bitcoin that was transferred to wallets that held at least 0.1% of the total supply that was in circulation decreased over the course of the time period that was taken into consideration, as indicated by the large holders' net flow metric. On the other hand, there was a net accumulation of 940 billion SHIB. Over the course of the past 24 hours, whales have acquired about 1 trillion tokens,